Accurate temperature measurement is critical in motorsports engine tuning. Exhaust gas temperature, or EGT, is a primary indicator of combustion efficiency, air-fuel ratio, ignition timing, and overall engine safety. Reliable EGT data supports informed tuning decisions and helps protect high-value engine components. However, not all temperature measurement methods provide the same level of accuracy or relevance. This video explains why EGT probes are the preferred solution. EGT probes are installed directly into the exhaust stream, allowing them to measure the actual temperature of the exhaust gases exiting the combustion chamber. This provides the most representative and actionable data for engine tuning. Because the sensing junction is in direct contact with the exhaust flow, EGT probes respond rapidly to changes in combustion conditions, are minimally affected by vehicle speed, airflow, or ambient temperature, deliver consistent, repeatable data under dynamic operating conditions, and can be installed per cylinder for detailed tuning and engine protection. For accurate tuning, engine safety, and repeatable performance analysis, a properly installed EGT probe is the preferred measurement method. In some motorsports applications, installing an EGT probe is not possible. Common constraints include thin or fragile exhaust components, ceramic-coated or wrapped headers that cannot be drilled, limited access or packaging constraints, rules or regulations that prohibit exhaust penetration. When direct exhaust gas measurement is not an option, Weld-Pad Thermocouples are the preferred alternative. Weld-Pad Thermocouples measure the surface temperature of the exhaust component itself rather than the exhaust gas. While they do not provide true exhaust gas temperature, they offer the most reliable surface-based measurement when exhaust penetration is not possible. When properly installed, Weld-Pad Thermocouples can track relative temperature changes under load, reveal thermal trends during tuning or endurance operation, and help identify overheating or cylinder imbalance issues. Surface temperatures are inherently lower than exhaust gas temperatures due to thermal gradients through the metal, heat loss to airflow, and material thickness. Among all surface mount methods, Weld-Pad Thermocouples provide the best thermal coupling, minimizing ambient influence and measurement lag. For motorsports applications where EGT probes cannot be used, Weld-Pad Thermocouples represent the most accurate and repeatable surface temperature solution. Infrared and laser temperature scanners are often misapplied in motorsports environments. These devices measure emitted surface radiation rather than the actual exhaust gas or internal metal temperature, making them highly sensitive to surface emissivity and finish, paint coatings, oxidation and discoloration, viewing angle and distance, and airflow and nearby heat sources. As a result, IR readings can fluctuate significantly without any real change in combustion conditions. While these tools may be useful for quick inspections or identifying general hotspots, they are generally not recommended for tuning diagnostics or engine protection and should not be used as a replacement for thermocouple-based measurements. In summary, EGT probes provide the most accurate and representative exhaust gas temperature data. Weld-Pad Thermocouples are the best alternative when exhaust penetration is not possible. Infrared and laser temperature scanners are generally not recommended for reliable exhaust gas temperature data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date. For pricing, data sheets, or technical support, visit thesensorconnection.com. The Sensor Connection, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.